Hey folks, James here at Lauria Volkswagen. Just wanted to tell you about our month-end mega sale. Starting now until the end of the month, we've got some great things going on. We have $250 gas card in your pocket there with any purchase. And for any test drive, you also get a free car wash. Not to mention, this is in addition to everything else going on this month, which includes 3 years prepaid maintenance on most of our 2021 models, enhanced loyalty rate offers for Volkswagen owners as well, and we still got our 2020 model clear out going on too, so there's some big savings to be had there. So come on down, check out a few options. Very worst, you're gonna have a nice clean car afterwards with the free car wash. Look forward to seeing you guys this week.